evaluate the expression for a equals -7, b equals 4, and c equals -3. And we're given two expressions that we want to evaluate, so we're going to have to do two separate problems here. The first problem is a plus b. So when we see the directions to evaluate, what that means is that each one of our variables is going to be replaced. And we're going to replace those variables with the number, the value that we're given for that variable. So what is always a good idea when we do evaluating is to take your variables and put them in little mini parentheses, okay? What we're doing is we're setting up like a little booth. And what's going to happen is these variables are going to slip out. And when we're not looking, inside those parentheses, the values are going to slip in. So it's kind of like a little magic trick. So the a slips out, and in its place comes in the -7. And then the b slips out. So here's my b. And when the b slips out, we said, oh, a b is going to equal 4. And so now we have our problem that we need to do. We're going to be doing -7 plus 4. If we notice these two numbers that we're adding, their signs are different, so we know we need to take the difference. -7 plus 4, well, since their signs are different, we're going to subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. And because the 7 is negative and 7 has the larger absolute value, that's the sign of our answer. Our answer is going to be -3. Now in our second problem, we're being asked to add a plus c. And so we're still going to be using this value for a over here. This a is -7, but now we're going to be adding the value for c instead of the value for b. So let's go back and put in our little parentheses here. Okay. So the a is here, and for c, we're going to put that guy in parentheses as well. Now notice only the variables are in the parentheses. The plus sign doesn't get in the parentheses. Only the variable itself is in there. And so we're going to put in the first set of parentheses. We're going to replace the a with the -7, and then we're going to do plus. And then instead of writing the c, we're going to put in the value for c, which they gave us as being -3. Now here it shows a little bit better why these parentheses are important. If I didn't have this parenthesis around the -3, I'd have something that looked like, over here, I'd have something like -7 plus -3. And with no parentheses, it's a little confusing what's going on with this plus minus, these double operation signs. So that's why we want to keep these guys in parentheses. Now -7 plus -3, in this case, the signs are the same. So we take the sum of the absolute values. 7 plus 3 is 10. And once we take the sum, we keep the sign. Both of these guys were negative. Their signs were the same. Take the sum, keep the sign. So my final answer will be -10.